Welcome! Today we're gonna learn everything about a motherboard. See, this is the motherboard, everyone. Here we have the RAM. This is pretty much memory, RAM slots. Here we have a processor slot. Here we have the heatsink. Here we have the graphics cards. And here we have memory or battery. Here we have power supply, and then here's the capacitors. They store power. Here we have speakers. Here we have USB cables. We have VGA. This is a female and this is a male. We have some audio slots right here. This is an Ethernet cable, and these are two USBs. And that's pretty much it.
Oh wait, fan goes here. This big thing.
Oh, that's
CPU and CPU.